You guys had a good time?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, guys. As you can see, we are here getting ready to go on the road, guys. Here we are. There go husband. Hey, husband. You ready for this road trip? All right, we about to turn up and turn out. Let's do it. Hey, kids. You ready for the road trip?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready, mama? You excited? All right. So who's going to pray before we leave? All right. Go ahead, son. Honey, bow your head.
Yeah.
Pause the tablet. Let's go. Who's praying? You?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
God, please bless me with
Amen. Guidance and protection, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So protect us, God. Cover this car. Cover us on the road while we head on this journey. All right, and let's do this. Hey. Okay, guys, so we did made it to the hotel safe. However, when we got here, it was too late, so I couldn't vlog last night. It was an 8-hour drive to get here, so we made it, and it was late in the morning, after 6, so we just went to bed. We got up now, and we are at the pool, and it is an inside pool, guys. There's a jacuzzi and a pool, so we're going to go ahead and enjoy this inside pool, right, guys? Are you guys happy? Excited? Ready to go? All right, let's do it. Hey guys, you going in the jacuzzi? You ready? Hey mama. Hey Star. Hey Daryl. All right, guys, so we're getting ready. It's 4th of July, and we're getting ready to go to a cookout. So let's jump in this car and get on our way. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you guys excited?
Yes.
You guys happy?
Yes,
Ready
ma'am.
to eat?
Yes,
Guys,
ma'am.
we're out here in San Antonio, turning up, turning up, turning up. Bye. All right, guys, stay tuned for this cookout. All right, let's go. It's rainy, y'all. We're in rain. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we did make it to the cookout here, so we're going to pull up in this house and see what's going on. You guys ready? All right, let's do it. Give her a hug again, Mama. Give her a hug again.
Can you do one more hug?
One more hug, baby.
One more hug so we can go to their pool.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yes, yes. You should have come today. It was
coming
nice.
after
You're
this.
coming after this? Oh, we're
Well,
going after this?
duh.
To the pool again?
Yes.
I took a shower already. I ain't
Are we
going.
going to the pool?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, I ain't going in there. Okay, guys, so here is our nice food here. We have some chicken burgers, hamburgers, and some hot dogs. So, guys, this is Mexican hot dog, all right? So we're going to fix it up so you guys can see what it looks like. There it goes with the bacon wrap. Mama. And then... oh. Here is the dressing. Look on this, guys. Hey, we're turning up. And we have some French fries. Some French fries over here. And we have some guacamole and some
Onion and
pickle. There you go, guys. So we're going to eat good for 4th of July. Thanks to Mommy and Daddy, we're eating good. Not thanks to George. We don't know him. Okay, guys, here is the plate all set up. Nice, ready to eat. There it is. What you need, baby girl? More hot dogs? What you need? There it is, guys. Princess, what you want? Nothing more? You don't know? More French fries? You didn't eat it. Here you go, husband. Here's your plates. Happy 4th. Turn around. Let me see your shirt, husband. Let me see. There go my husband right there. Hold up your bottle of wine, honey. Hold up your bottle of wine. Your glass of wine. There he goes, guys. Happy holidays. Bye. Look, guys, this is the Mexican hot dog. See it? They have everything in it. Look on it. Nice and yummy. And Brenda is eating it. That's why it looks like that. I'll show you her. Sit, Brenda. There goes Brenda, guys. She's already eating it. It's good, Brenda? Real good. And Mommy over there made it. So, yeah, we're eating good Mexican food for today on 4th of July, guys. We have our guacamole over here. More guac, guys. Look.
Not spicy and it's spicy.
So this one is not spicy, and this is mucho spicy, guys. All right, look, Brenda diving in, guys. Look, it's yummy, right, Brenda? Yes. Okay, guys, so we're here hanging out. This is where we did the grilling earlier today.
We did the grill.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
this is where we did the grilling, guys.
It's even turned on.
So, here it is. Now it's fireworks time. And here, woo! Watch this foot. Firework, guys, fireworks. This Mexican trying to light a firework, guys. Let's see if it works. There it is, guys. Woo! Yes! Merry Christmas! Oh, happy 4th of July! Yay! That's right. Mama, you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Papa, you like that? Come back, baby, come. There it is.
Right again.
There it is. Fireworks, 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 fireworks. Woo! Fireworks, fireworks, fireworks. Woo! Woo! Don't go, baby. Don't go. Don't go.
You get her.
Don't go, baby. Don't go. Look, 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 look. Sparks. Hi, Star. Hey, Daryl. Hey, Mama. Hey, baby.
Stop, Patty.
Tashana, don't go. Patty, come back this way, baby.
Dessert.
Yay! Happy 4th of July! Yay! Oh, Happy New Year! That's our fireworks for today, guys. So we're having fun.
Dang.
That's it for today. We're gonna get some because this Mexican guy, I don't know, he made that one from scratch. We don't know about it. No, Papa didn't make that. You did.
He gave it to you.
That's banduro.
I wonder how far George will go to light him up.
Huh? Don't say.
Uh-oh.
Go get my.
Like this?
Let it go now.
Not yet.
There it is.
No,
But-
I'm not doing all that.
But you have to do it better.
See?
You want me to launch it?
Those are down.
Yeah, we want it to launch, like the launcher.
Go on to.
He left?
Who, Daryl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Patty, mama. Look. Look, Patty.
Take the boom down.
Tashana, come. Go stand down there. Go stand down there. So I could catch you in the video watching it. Go.
Right there.
That was it.
Woo!
No, he don't. That's my show.
This is your show, Hornet.
Uh-oh. That one. Woo! Woo!
This was loud. This was loud.
See?
Turn it
I
on.
did.
Yeah, wait till you hear it spark.
Uh-oh. What is that?
I think it was upside down. Oh, hell. Come here. God,
I don't think George know what he doing with this firework. Y'all be careful. This Mexican here not know what he doing, guys.
No, he literally said he's gonna do like this, but he didn't go up. It's supposed to go up. So you can do it the other way now. No, that's the way we just had it. You're good. Back up. Back up. Alright, here goes the big one. I think you only got one of them.
That's a bandulo one.
Any day now is good, you know.
The ladder is no good.
It's just smoke, guy. Damn, that one has no smoke.
Turn around, guys. Turn around this way. All right, guys. So we're closing out the video with this is the end of our 4th of July.
Got the beaner sweeping.
Yes, you have to sweep up his mess. You enjoy your day today, Mama? Yes. Give your sister a hug, Tashi. You guys had a good time?
Yeah.
All right. So we're turning up at George again for the next 4th?
Yes.
All right. That's it. There go this Mexican right there, guys. Look on him. He's the beaner. All right, guys. So that's the end of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for the continuous support. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for the share. Remember, guys, if you has not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and do so. Hit the notification bell so whenever we do drop a new video, you guys are. All right. Until next time, remember to stay safe out there. And God is. God is. All right. And we're deuces. Bye, guys. Bye. I hope you guys had a great 4th of July. We sure did.
You mistook someone else for me, then ran over smiling awkwardly. Even that look, I can't resist. Every little thing, I just love this. Do you feel it too? The way we always do. We'll stay like this forever.